Alright, we're going to start this one again because I messed up on it. It says y to the negative third taken 2 times divided by 2x y to the negative fifth times xy to the fifth. So I'm going to start by rewriting it and putting the things that have negative exponents on the bottom. Now this tells you negative 3, so it's y in the opposite spot, which is currently on the top, so it would go on the bottom. And this 2 tells you you're going to write it 3 times. So I'm going to put 3 y's, that's 1 time, and then 3 other y's, that's why the 2 is here, taken twice. Now I'll start on this side. I have a 2, that's going to stay there. I have an x, that's going to stay there. And y to the negative fifth, that's currently on the bottom, that means you're going to take it to the top. So I'll put 5 y's on the top. I have an x, which has a positive exponent, that'll stay where it is, and 5 y's, that 5 is positive, so it'll stay where it is, which is on the bottom. Alright, let's cross what they have in common. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 y's on the bottom, or that are in common, so they're crossed out, and there's nothing left on the top. But I can't leave it like that, so I have to put something on the top, so I'll put a 1. There's a 2. There's 2 x's on the bottom, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y's. So your final answer for that one, if you're being asked to, what is this problem, y to the negative third taken twice, divided by 2xy to the negative fifth times xy to the fifth, your answer will be 1 over 2x squared and y squared. What I would like for you to do is I'm going to do one more with you, and then you're going to do one on your own. Here's the second problem. We'll do it together, or I'll do it for you. This is x to the fourth y squared taken negative 5 times x to the third y to the fifth divided by y to the fifth. Alright, take a look. You put everything where it's supposed to be. Because it's a negative 5, you're going to bring the whole thing down below, and you're going to write it 5 times. So there's 4 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 y's. That's once. Now 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 y's. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your 4th time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 y's. So this whole thing, this tells you to bring it to the bottom. And you write it 5 times. 4 x's and 2 y's. Now this next part, there's 3 x's on the top. I'm putting 3 x's here. And 5 y's. Alright, so I've taken care of the top. Because it's a negative because these are positive exponents, they stay up top. Because these are negative exponents, they go in the opposite spot, which would be down below. The last one is y to the fourth. This is a positive exponent, so it's going to stay where it is, which is currently on the bottom. All I've done so far is broken down the problem. I cross out what they have in common. They each have at least 1 x. They have 2 y's. They have other y's. There's 3 other y's. It has cross off. And I write down what is left over. I have nothing on the top, so I have to put a 1. How many x's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So x to the 17th, I have 17 x's. How many y's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 y's. So that would be my final answer. Now, that one's a really hard one. But I'm going to ask you to do this one right here, which says x to the negative third, y to the negative second, times yx to the third, divided by y to the fifth. Press pause if you want to watch it, or so you can write down the problem.